Just enter this. The Patriot.
Half of them. Well, they don't have the slides.
Fox News, not Chris Buster. More than 1,000 flights are canceled, more than 7,000 delayed. Planes were grounded this morning by a computer system outage.
The chair of the Senate Committee on Commerce, Science, and Transportation saying lawmakers will be looking into what caused the Federal Aviation Administration's nationwide technical outage. Senator Maria Cantwell of Washington saying the committee will be looking into
boxes. Ryan Schmelz. 6 people are stabbed in an attack at a train station in Paris.
Major injuries. The Interior Minister saying police rapidly neutralized the attacker. An off-duty officer opened fire on the assailant who is now in hospital. Gare du Nord is one of Europe's busiest stations, providing a direct train link to cities including London.
Fox's Jonathan Savage. Police have not identified the attacker or any possible motive. America's listening to Fox News.
Hello, beautiful. I'm Amy Erin, founder of the hair color company. We started Madison Reed to give you the most gorgeous hair color made with ingredients you can feel good about. Are you tired of drugstore hair color? You deserve better. Please upgrade to salon quality hair color that nourishes and improves the condition of your hair without any harsh odors. It's done easily at home and is delivered. Or book an appointment now at one of our 80-plus hair color bars nationwide. Without salon cost and time. For a limited time, new clients get 15% off plus free shipping on your first online order or your first service at a Madison Reed hair color bar. Visit madison-reed.com/save. That's madison-reed.com. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
I wanted to know why some people who get COVID-19 get it so bad. I found out it may be because they have a high risk factor, such as heart disease, diabetes, being over smoking, and asthma. Even if symptoms feel mild, these factors can increase your risk of COVID. So if you're at high risk and test positive, there are things you can do, like asking your healthcare provider if an authorized oral treatment is right for you. Learn about an option at treatcovid19.com. This message is sponsored by Pfizer.
In a world where he can make your worst nightmare you fear like never before.
I think I've felt it before.
What? I said.
It's like every other horror movie trailer, man.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Hey, here's some real milk to relax that monster voice.
Thanks, but this is my real voice, dude.
What?
Delicious. Hey, dude, this movie is horrible. Let's wrap.
Where leaders go, learning follows. Join and sharpen your leadership skills at Harvard Business School Executive Education. Both in-person and virtual options are available. To apply, visit /go.
Life is uncertain. It's okay to feel stressed, anxious, worried, or frustrated. It's normal. With CalHelp's free and secure health resources, it's easy to get the help you and your loved ones need when our warm line at 833-317-4673 or live chat at calhope.org today.
Though the host doesn't stay with you. Stranger sounds a little bit like a horror movie. Only whole vacation homes, always private. Book on the Verbo app.
The future of work has changed, and Northeastern University's graduate programs are built for how you work.
Northeastern is empowering me to in environmental policy. I'm still in classes.
At Northeastern, my job isn't just to teach, it's to connect our graduate students to real opportunities.
I'm not only an executive, I'm an alumni. My goal is to find talent, and that talent will be you.
Learn more at northeastern.edu/built for the Bay. Northeastern University Bay Area. Built for how you work.
Oh, I was supposed to go. Wait, yeah.
So we got Republicans now with a majority with a speaker, Kevin McCarthy, and we're hoping they're going to get on the right track early in the game. And it might seem a little crazy to think about this, but it's not. We're going to be in a presidential election cycle in about 6 months. We're actually talking about 2024 already, because the answer is yes, it will be. Not just us on the show, the whole country will be thinking about it, it will be happening. So it feels like it's a ways away, it's going to come quickly, and what are the Republicans doing in the meantime? How are they going to start to close the gap that we saw with those midterm voters around in 2022? And what are we going to do in the meantime to create some accountability and to force the Democrats to have to answer publicly for some of what they have been doing? And Kevin McCarthy's out there, as we know, and here he issue. He asks a question, which Clay and I will answer. Play clip 9.
This was discovered before top. They think they can lie to the American public. They think they can control the media, control to shut down if one media company writes about it. They think they're above the law. Why weren't they raided? Why didn't they have the FBI coming in? Why didn't he in 60 Minutes say, I understand that because I bet I have the same problem? Barack Obama have some of this when he was writing his book. Does Hillary Clinton have some? And you know what? All those people. President Trump just ran for president. You think he knew everything? You think he went and moved his own boxes? And you know what? They were locked away. Biden's were not.
So now, just to his question, why wasn't he raided? I'm not saying he shouldn't ask the question, but we know the answer to the question. It's Merrick Garland runs the DOJ. They play hardball. They don't care. Hypocrisy is joyous to them. The fact that they're in a position to be hypocritical. Double standards. Everyone has to remember this. Double standards makes them feel superior. It doesn't make them feel like they're frauds. It doesn't play because they like to be in a position to have different rules because they think they're better than the other people, meaning Republicans in this case, who have to live by the rules.
Yeah, and here's where I would distinguish a little bit. I'm not surprised that politicians bend whatever precedent in order to become on the right side of an issue.